Ready for a salad that is refreshing and bursting with tropical flavor? Lime salad is the perfect blend of citrus and tropical flavor goodness. Come on with me. Let's make this light, creamy salad that is good any time of year. Hey, it's Aunt Sandy here, and we're making lime congealed salad. And we're going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Been sitting out where it's softened. And 2 packages of lime Jell-O. Go in it. That's 2 small packages. We're going to cream this together. Cup and a half of very hot water. And I have, I took my crushed pineapple and I drained it, but I saved the juice off of it, because we're going to put that juice with the cold water. This is the juice in the water. It's 1.5 cups. I'll pour that in there. Mix it. And we're going to add the crushed pineapple. And then I'm adding not quite a cup of pecans. Let's put a little bit in there and see how it does. We're going to pour it in this 13-9 pan. I think I want to add the rest of the okay, and that's it. And we're going to chill it overnight. I usually do it. Use one that has a lid on it, and we're going to chill it overnight, and it's going to be congealed. When you go to serve it, you cut it in squares, put it on a leaf of lettuce if you want to get fancy, and then we put a dollop of mayonnaise on it and a cherry. So I hope you try this. I know you're going to like it. Thanks, and God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.